Hello, everybody. Welcome back to a special edition of Daily Rainy Nonograms. As a welcome back gift, our own dear Really Rainy fan has suggested I try and complete this one as fast as I can. Well, the goal is under 20 minutes. So, if you're wondering why we are starting the screen off paused right now, that's your explanation. I can assure you I have not looked at the board, so whatever is behind here, I do not know. I do not know where to start, and it will be as much of a surprise to me as to you. I'm not sure how much I will talk because I will try to beat the goal. I am pretty rusty because I just came back, but we'll try nonetheless. It's a fun challenge, and why not, right? Anyway, so ready? Alright. As you can see, the timer is on 001. Alright. Let's begin. 3, 2, 1. Okay. I think I should just relax and play as I normally would. Because I feel like if I panic too much or overthink things, I think that makes me more prone to uh messing up. So let's see. Mm, this over here. Not the best start, not the best board, but whatever. It's the hand I am dealt with. Very much not the best board though. Hmm. Uh, hmm. I hope I'm right. It would be really funny if I made a mistake right off the bat and I already messed up. Okay, I just received confirmation that I can have 3 checks. I'm gonna check right now. Yeah, okay. I have okay. I have 3 checks to my name. Um, where was I? This is really not the best board to do this. Bro, what is this board? 432. Nope, not guess. Not a guess, calculated. This is correct. I know this is. I don't like how this board looks. Oh man, not doing this, bruh. Excuse me. That's a 2. One, three. Well, it's difficult. Mm-hmm. Nope. I have to scroll up. Not good, bruh. This is not the board to do this challenge. Man, this board sucks. I don't want to check. What do I even do? Four, six. It doesn't get me anywhere. No. I mean, it's not that huh? When I didn't finish, what are you talking about? I can't. Yeah, but I don't have the website to do it from. Hell no, bro. This is lost. This is lost, bro. What is this board? Th- it's fine. Like anybody else is gonna watch aside from you. Whatever. Okay. This board sucks. Like, actually, where do I even go? I'm looking at the time. See, it's 30 minutes. No way. I'll do it. I think I just do the challenge some other time because this board This body's dog. Whatever. I'll attempt it some other time. I'll attempt the challenge some other time that uh our fan suggests it. Because this is not the board to do this challenge. Okay, am I correct? Yes. But where do I go? I feel like I've looked. I feel like I've looked everywhere. This sucks. What the hell? Wait. 511. Okay. This 9 limits here. No space for the 5, so the 511 has to be on here, over here. Now what? Okay, but there's a 4. Two, 1, 4, 5. No space. This is the 5. Nine, 3, 2, 3. 4, 6. Okay. Like I can cite a specific nonogram. Bro, I don't know, bro. Two, three, four, one, four, two, no. 1 times 3. 3. Okay. Blah. Two, 5. Okay, that's a 2. 5, 4, 6. 3, 2, 1. Nope. Bah. 2, 3, 7. 1, 1, 1. Fits. Nothing here. Nothing here. That's. Don't know. Oh, no. That's a 6. 1. Oh, wait. 4. 3, 4. Minus 2. 2, 4, 3, 1. 3, 5. 5. 3. 2, 1, 3, 1, 3. 4, 6. 6. 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, nothing. 3, 1, 2. That's where that ends. Nothing. 5, no, 4, 3, nothing. 9, 1, 1. Okay. 4 to 10. 5, 4, 3, 1, 8. Do what? Why? Thank you. Thanks. 10, 3. Easier puzzles. What's an easy puzzle? The daily? The daily? Anything above that? Here are your choices. Whatever. A sentence. That takes me like 50 minutes. Huh? Well, I have practice doing the Sudokus. You don't have practice doing this. Okay. Ah, I see. Well, that depends. What's a harder puzzle? I don't know. Guys, comment down below if you think Sudoku or Nonograms are harder. Yeah. Yeah. Crossword or Junior Jumbo. Seems like I got the breakthrough I needed though. Uh huh. But you don't enjoy math. Yeah, I do. But you don't enjoy math. Okay, okay. I don't say anything. No. I'm sure there are stuff like that. This video is just me having a conversation with you. Do you like it that way? Okay. Yeah. It's not like anyone will hear your voice. Uh, what was I? Oh yeah. 2551115. You don't have to. You don't have to. It is. Yeah, I can guess why. No, I can guess why. Mhm. Uh huh. Are you gonna bring Essie? Okay. Oof. Mhm. I can guess why you don't want you're reluctant. You should. You should get it. Also, I'm about to finish. No, 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 no. Over here. Never mind. In a bit. 3, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3. 4, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1. 1. No. X's, the X's aren't required. But they're helpful. Some, it's really hard. I'd argue the X's, I know, give you more information than the dots. And there we go. There we go. That's today's nonogram, which is okay. Challenge failed. This video was just me talking to really rainy fan the entire time. But my final time was 30 minutes and 12 seconds. That's 10 minutes late. Yeah, that's 10 minutes over. But whatever. Yup. Because this board fucking sucked. I think that's the first time I swore. No, that's not the first time I've sworn on this channel. No. But there we go. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I hope you have enjoyed. So I'll upload this shortly. Alright, see you guys. Bye bye.